Ever wondered how companies manage to sift through thousands, if not millions, of phone call logs? How they manage to analyze these logs to gain insights and improve their services? Well, it's not magic, it's technology. And today we're diving into the labyrinth of call logs and how one company, a leading internet publishing firm in Singapore and Australia that offers a peer-to-peer car-sharing platform, tackled this very problem. The challenge was to fetch all call logs from the company's server using Zendesk API, analyze these logs, and identify the number of calls made by a particular user to the company, as well as the most recent call timing. A tall order, but not an impossible one. Discover how Blackcoffer's team of highly skilled professionals leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower organizations and drive their success. From strategic planning to implementation, Blackcoffer is dedicated to delivering exceptional IT consulting services tailored to the unique needs of each client. The solution came in the form of Python, a powerful programming language. The call details fetched from the Zendesk API were in JSON format, which can be a bit tricky to understand. So the first step was to fetch only the necessary details, the caller, the recipient, and the call timing, and convert them into a tabular format. This way it was easier to identify the call details. Next, the number of calls made by a user to the company in the last month had to be identified. Here, Python's Pandas module came into play. It separated the users who made a call to the company last month and counted each unique user's call records. The Python's datetime module was used to easily identify the most recent call timing. The project deliverables were 2 Python scripts, one for fetching call details and converting them into a table format, and another for identifying the number of calls made and the recent call timing. These scripts were developed using VS Code, Google Drive, and MS Excel. The project did face some technical challenges. The API data was in JSON format with other unwanted data, making it difficult to identify the number of calls and other information. The date format in the API data was also not ideal for comparison. But these challenges were overcome by converting the useful details from the API's JSON format into a tabular format and converting the dates into a proper datetime format using Python's datetime module. This solution was brilliantly designed and developed by the Blackcoffer Team, a global IT consulting firm. It demonstrates the power of technology, and more specifically, the power of Python in solving complex problems. This solution not only helped the client in analyzing their call logs, but also provided them with valuable insights to improve their services. And there you have it. The labyrinth of call logs, once a daunting challenge, now a navigable path, thanks to the power of Python and the ingenuity of the Blackcoffer team. The next time you wonder how companies manage to analyze their call logs, remember, it's not magic, it's technology. Join us on this journey to uncover how Blackcoffer has earned its reputation as a trusted partner in the industry, providing unmatched solutions that elevate businesses to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to gain invaluable insights and discover the possibilities that await with Blackcoffer. Like and share this video to spread the word about Blackcoffer's global expertise and industry-leading standards. Together, let's celebrate the achievements of this remarkable IT consulting firm and inspire others to reach for their highest potential.